Now in this video, I introduce you to the values of the Agile methodology. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Teo. I am a certified project management coach, but I also have 15 years experience in managing projects and programs from a variety of industries and top organizations. I have helped several people accelerate their careers or maybe land their dream jobs, and some have even become a little bit efficient at what they do simply by working with me and following my guidance. So if that sounds like something that is of interest to you, make sure you keep in touch with this channel. You can subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of any videos we release on this channel. So let's go straight into the values of Agile. Now, according to the Agile Manifesto, Agile has a set of values and principles. There are 4 values and 12 principles in total. However, in this video, we'll be focusing on the 4 values of Agile, and in a separate video, we'll talk about the 12 principles. Let's go straight to the first value of Agile, which is individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Now, this concept is mainly about humanizing work. Agile environments should be buzzing with conversations, collaborating with stakeholders, getting a common understanding of the matters that are at hand while working out disagreements. This should also involve finding out about each other's interests, socializing together, and so on and so forth. Now, in short, it is basically about forming great relationships, and that's what this value is talking about. Now, there are absolute advantages to having tools and processes in most circumstances. We must understand that. But we really want to create an awesome product and come together in an environment where the client and the developers are all happy. So we should probably focus and spend more time understanding how people interact and communicate. And that's what the first value kind of focuses on. Let's go to the second value of Agile, which is working software over comprehensive documentation. Now, working software over comprehensive documentation simply means delivering software that does what it should be the priority over any form of extensive documentation. Now, if for any reason you have to choose between these two, probably because of maybe time constraints or anything like that, then what it is saying is that you should choose to build or develop the software over trying to write extensive documentation, and it's as simple as that. Let's go to the third one, which is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Now, when it comes to today's market, it is more important to understand the needs of the customer than the small print in the contract. To develop a software product and meet the customer's needs requires constant communication all through the development process. And this means prior to the development process, whilst it's going on, and even after. Now, customer collaboration is very important and is very key because it helps in determining, developing, and deploying a successful experience design for your customers and for the end users. And so this is very important. Let's go to the fourth and final one, which is responding to change over following a plan. Now, what is critically important here is to understand that any credible plan is subject to change. If the plan doesn't change because of the presence of new understanding or new requirements, unacceptable performance, or maybe the myriad of challenges to the project, you would kind of think it is a poor plan. So let's look at it this way. A team following a big upfront plan or sort of creating a big plan upfront and following excruciating detail from the project's onset. After planning, they would then find that they're trying to manage and execute a plan which was created years and even months prior. Now, while creating a very detailed plan at the outset of the project can provide stakeholders with some sense of security, this approach usually runs into a lot of significant problems. As the project starts to unfold, the team learns more about what needs the resulting product will feel, as well as how the product can best be built. And so as this new reality emerges, the team struggles to keep the project aligned with the original plan, which is likely no longer the team's new reality. One of the key things about this is ensuring that you're not responding to or trying to follow a rigid plan instead of following what the customers or the changing needs of the customer. So that is very important. Hopefully you've understood the 4 values of Agile. In another and a separate video, we'll talk about the 12 principles of Agile, and you don't want to miss that, where we go through each and every one of them and explain what they mean and how that applies to your project as well. Now, we are currently offering a discount on our Agile PM Foundation course. This is an e-learning certification course which is accredited by the APMG. This is a globally recognized Agile certification which demonstrates that your knowledge in Agile is at the very optimal level. Links to this unique offer can be found in the video description below. Now, unusually, we've got some new spaces which have opened up for our Agile Masterclass. Now, if you want to know about the fundamentals of Agile, this is a free masterclass that you should sign up for. If you are looking to understand Agile and you're new in project management, or you're experienced in project management but want to understand things around Agile project management, then this is an opportunity for you to get a free masterclass. So make sure that you follow the details in the video description and you register as soon as possible so that you don't miss this masterclass. For more information on Agile, you can watch the video at the extreme right there. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.